Hey there! Welcome back to my channel where I help you become a smart agent of tech. Today's video is all about how to make money using AI tools in 2025. So if you're ready to level up your earning game and explore some cool new opportunities, let's jump right in. And here's a little secret. This is going to be one of the best years yet for those who embrace AI and automation. So get ready for success. Now, before I share some game-changing ways to make money with AI, let me tell you about our awesome community. Join us on our website to connect with like-minded individuals, share your wins, ask questions, and stay updated on the latest AI trends. Don't miss out. Link in the description below. To stand out, keep your prices low at first so you can build up good reviews. Did you know you can create voiceovers without ever speaking? Simply paste your script into the AI voice generator and select the type of voice you want. There are tons of options out there, like 11 Labs, Murph, AI, and Play. They let you pick realistic voices, male, female, accents, tones. It's like having your own voice dubbing studio. That's right, with AI voice generators, you can turn your script into a natural-sounding voiceover in seconds. Just imagine the possibilities. You can create engaging content across multiple platforms without ever showing your face or hiring a voice actor. Imagine sitting on a tropical island sipping a coconut while your computer does the work. It's possible thanks to AI. Firstly, use ChatGPT to write an ebook. For example, Fitness Guide for Busy Moms. So if you're thinking of venturing into digital products, now is the perfect time. And guess what? You can automate much of the process with AI. From generating content to designing covers, AI can do it all, giving you more time to relax on the beach. Next, design the cover and pages with Canva or Viz. And finally, sell it on Gumroad, Etsy, or Pay. Keep doing this till you can handle more volume and charge more. You can clone your client's voice using 11 Labs Pro. This can help businesses expand their audience to a global scale. This is great for podcasters or YouTubers who want to expand their reach. But do you want to have time to record new voiceovers? This can help creators reach a wider audience and make their content more accessible. Remember, with AI by your side, you can deliver work way faster than others. So use that to your advantage and watch your freelance income skyrocket. Use ChatGPT plus Canva to help you batch create 30 posts a month for small businesses. Your clients will love the speed and efficiency of your services, and you'll love the extra zeros in your bank account. This can save businesses a ton of time and resources. When it comes to managing their social media presence, it's easier than ever to create engaging videos without ever showing your face. So give it a try. This is super trendy in the productivity niche, and there's a lot of demand for it. People on Etsy are making $500 to $2,000 a month with just digital downloads. Imagine the possibilities. It's really easy to use and has tons of templates to get you started. You can do voiceovers and sell digital products, or Faceless YouTube and freelancing. The more streams of income you have, the more resilient you'll be to economic changes. Who says you need a physical product to make money? Now, if you've made it this far, you're officially a smart time master. Congratulations! I saw a Faceless channel recently that's making around $5,000 a month with AI content. Can you imagine that? Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So, you might be wondering, what's a Faceless YouTube channel? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. Here's a simple workflow. Firstly, use ChatGPT to write a script for your video. Then generate an AI voiceover using Get stock videos or animations from Pexels, Pixabay, or InVideo AI. Edit everything in CapCut or Filmora and add an AI-generated thumbnail with Canva or Leonardo AI. You create videos without showing your face. It's like being a behind-the-scenes hero. You can create and sell digital products like printable planners, resume templates, social media packs, and more using AI. This opens doors to a whole new world of earning potential. For instance, think about starting a motivational quotes channel. You can use ChatGPT to generate a daily quote, choose an inspiring voiceover using AI, then design a stunning background or animation with AI art tools like Midjourney or Adobe Firefly. Instead of spending hours putting together boring presentations, let AI do the heavy lifting. With AI voiceovers, the opportunities to make passive income are endless. So why wait? Give it a try today. You can also check out ChatGPT for presentation ideas, or even ask it to draft an entire presentation. Plus, it's got a ton of templates to get you started. And remember, you don't have to be an expert designer to use Canva. Its drag-and-drop editor makes it super easy to whip up pro-level stuff in no time. So the first method is freelancing with AI tools. Think about it. The freelancing industry is booming, and with AI it's gonna take off even more in 2025. It's changing how we work, making tasks quicker and smarter. And you can ride this wave to financial success. No matter your skill set, whether you're a writer, designer, marketer, you can use AI tools to boost your earnings. Let me give you some real examples of what you can do. First, use ChatGPT to write blogs, ad copy, or emails for clients. On Fiverr or Up, all you have to do is type in your request, like write a blog on XYZ, or create an email campaign for ABC and Voiceovers. We'll spit out some awesome content for you to edit and polish. ChatGPT can do lots of other things too. Ask it to write video scripts, Instagram captions, even business plans. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a break. Next, Canva AI is another tool you can use to create professional-looking designs, social media posts, presentations. Finally, Tome App and Gamma AI are two more AI tools that can help you create slide decks and reports in minutes. Tip: if you're planning to freelance, create a Fiverr gig offering your services like ILL, write a professional article using AI tools, or ILL design stunning posts for your brand using Canva AI. The second method is AI voiceovers for YouTube and Reels. Here's how it works. Once you've got your voiceover, here are some places you can use it: YouTube, Faceless channels, Instagram Reels, Facebook Shorts, Fiverr gigs, e-learning platforms, and even TikTok. But that's not all. Bonus tip: stay ahead of the curve. Experiment with different voices and platforms to see what resonates with your audience. Third method is selling digital products using AI. Think about it. No shipping costs, no stock to manage, just pure profit. Here's how you can get started. You can also explore creating and selling Notion templates using Notion. With AI, you can create multiple digital products in just a few hours and sell them worldwide. Now the fourth method is to start a faceless YouTube channel. With AI tools, it's easier than ever to start a faceless channel. Now you're ready to publish and make waves. Some profitable niches include horror stories, tech tutorials, celebrity facts, productivity hacks, and motivation videos. So if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, faceless channels are a great place to start. Okay, now the fifth method is AI-powered services. There's a growing demand for AI-powered services like voice cloning, auto-translation, AI captioning, and social media content writing. Let's take a look at each one. First, voice cloning services. Second, auto-translation services. Use DeepL or Google Translate API to convert your client's content into multiple languages. Third, AI captioning services. Use Video Subly or CapCut to automatically caption videos for Instagram or YouTube. Fourth, social media content writing. You can even start your own agency and market your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Instagram. Name it something like Smart Tac Edits. Bonus tip: combine 2 or 3 methods for a winning strategy. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, so stay consistent, focus on providing value, and watch your income grow. To keep leveling up your tech skills, hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community.